Hi, this is Luke from Taillight Plus. Today we have a 2019 Mazda 3, stock number 6358. It's ran from the 3rd 2019 to the current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine.
Make sure you don't use that forklift. Pick them up down inside.
Left front door mirror,
Well, not fit.
left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory aluminum flat tyre, right rear door one dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,